Welcome back to Auto Luxury Channel, where we celebrate the timeless legends of the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and adventurous classics ever built, the legendary Willys Jeep Wagon. If you love vintage vehicles, rugged design, and unforgettable automotive history, you're in the right place. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Auto Luxury Channel and turn on notifications so you never miss another classic car story. The 1955 Willys Jeep Wagon was not just another vehicle rolling down American roads. It was a symbol of freedom, durability, and adventure. During a time when most vehicles were designed mainly for city streets, Willys created something completely different. This wagon was built for families, workers, explorers, and outdoor enthusiasts who needed a machine that could handle rough terrain while still offering comfort and reliability. At first glance, the 1955 Willys Jeep Wagon carries a design that feels both simple and bold. Its boxy body shape may seem modest compared to modern SUVs, but that clean and rugged styling is exactly what gives it such timeless charm today. The upright grille, rounded headlights, steel body panels, and practical layout created a vehicle that looked ready for anything. Even decades later, this classic wagon still turns heads at vintage car shows and classic off-road gatherings. One of the most remarkable things about the Willys Jeep Wagon was its all-steel construction. In the 1940s and 1950s, many wagons still used wood framing in their bodies. Willys changed the game by offering a durable all-steel body, making the wagon stronger, safer, and more reliable. That innovation helped the vehicle stand apart from competitors and proved that utility vehicles could also be modern and practical. Performance. Under the hood, the 1955 model commonly featured the famous Hurricane F-head four-cylinder engine. This engine was known for its reliability and impressive torque, especially for off-road driving and hauling. Drivers trusted the Willys wagon because it could survive tough conditions where many other vehicles struggled. Farmers used them on rough land, hunters took them deep into forests, and families drove them across rural America without fear. The driving experience of the 1955 Willys Jeep Wagon was raw and authentic. There were no giant touchscreens, no electronic driver aids, and no luxury technology packages. Instead, drivers experienced pure mechanical connection. The sound of the engine, the feel of the steering wheel, and the rugged suspension created an honest driving experience that modern vehicles rarely offer today. Another reason this classic became so respected was its incredible versatility. It was one of the early pioneers of what we now call the SUV lifestyle. Long before luxury crossovers dominated the roads, the Willys wagon proved that a vehicle could combine passenger comfort with off-road capability. In many ways, it helped shape the future of utility vehicles around the world. Collectors today admire the 1955 Willys Jeep Wagon for its authenticity and rugged personality. Restored examples often feature beautiful two-tone paint combinations, vintage chrome details, classic white-wall tires, and carefully preserved interiors. Whether finished in deep forest green, cream white, or vintage red, every restored Willys wagon feels like a rolling piece of American history. Interior. Inside the cabin, simplicity ruled the design philosophy. Large windows provided excellent visibility, while the spacious interior gave passengers plenty of room. The dashboard was basic but functional, designed for durability rather than luxury. Yet that simplicity is exactly what enthusiasts appreciate today. Every knob, gauge, and switch reminds drivers of an era when vehicles were built with straightforward purpose. What makes the 1955 Willys Jeep Wagon especially fascinating in 2026 is how perfectly it matches modern automotive trends. Today, many drivers are searching for vehicles with character, individuality, and heritage. Modern SUVs may offer advanced technology, but few can match the soul and personality of a classic Willys wagon. Its rugged appearance and adventurous spirit feel more relevant than ever in today's vintage automotive culture. At classic car auctions and enthusiast events, these wagons continue gaining attention and value. Restorers spend countless hours bringing them back to life because they understand the importance of preserving automotive history. Every restored Willys wagon tells a story of adventure, hard work, and American craftsmanship. The off-road legacy of Willys is also impossible to ignore. Without vehicles like the Willys wagon and early Jeep models, the SUV market we know today might never have existed. These machines inspired generations of off-road vehicles that followed. From mountain trails to countryside roads, the Willys name became associated with reliability and fearless exploration. Even celebrities and collectors have shown admiration for classic Willys vehicles over the years. Their unique appearance stands apart from typical vintage cars because they combine utility with nostalgic beauty. Unlike flashy sports cars, the Willys Wagon represents something deeper, a connection to freedom, travel, and outdoor adventure. One of the most beautiful things about the 1955 Willys Jeep Wagon is that it doesn't pretend to be anything it's not. It was built with honesty and purpose. Every scratch, every dent, and every mile driven adds to its character. That authenticity is rare in today's automotive world, which is why classic enthusiasts continue falling in love with these legendary wagons. Imagine driving this vintage machine down a quiet countryside road, hearing the engine echo through the landscape while the chrome details reflect the sunlight. It's more than transportation, it's an experience that connects drivers to a completely different era of motoring. The 1955 Willys Jeep Wagon remains a true icon of automotive history. Rugged, dependable, stylish in its own unique way, and filled with personality, it continues inspiring classic car lovers around the world. Its legacy proves that great vehicles don't need massive horsepower or futuristic technology to become unforgettable. Sometimes, true greatness comes from simplicity, reliability, and timeless design. Thanks for watching Auto Luxury Channel. If you enjoyed this journey into the legendary 1955 Willys Jeep Wagon, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment about your favorite vintage SUV, and subscribe to Auto Luxury Channel for more classic automotive stories and timeless legends from around the world.